Good afternoon. Thank you for being here today. My name is Michael Keppler. I'm the Lighting Systems Manager here in North America for ARRI. And I would like to give you a quick inside view into our new suspension product line, which we're going to introduce this year, the very first time at NAB. Oops, we have in. ARRI was distributing lighting fixtures to the broadcast industry for many years all over the world, and we learned the growing demand for more flexible suspension systems. We have today three types of systems. We have the manual systems, which are basically rail systems. We have motorized hoists. We go all the way up to completely robotic studios. Oops. Rail systems with pantographs are a perfect solution for smaller TV studios, new studios, I would say up to 300 square meters or 3,000 square feet, with a ceiling height of up to 20 foot, a system where you can move the light without going up on a ladder or scaffolding or platform. If the studios are getting a little bit bigger, we have motorized solutions, self-climbing hoists, which is shown this here at our booth. Here's a picture of a studio with some self-climbing hoists. But we also have big truss pods, which allow you to hang a cluster of lights, very similar to the way you worked with a pipe grid in the past. Oops, yeah. This is a typical rail system where we show two fixed rails which are installed to the ceiling and a moving rail. And this configuration allows you to position your lighting fixture everywhere in the studio, simply by standing on the floor, having an operating port in your hand, and move and slide the light to where you need to have it. We have a wide range of manual up to motorized pantographs. Here's a friction pantograph. We have a pole-operated pantograph, but also a motorized version. All three models are shown at our booth here at Las Vegas now. The self-climbing hoist is the most popular device we install in TV studios, simply because it's very simple to install. It comes completely pre-assembled from the factory. All you have to do is you have to open the crate, lift up the rail, install it to the ceiling, power up the unit, and it travels out of the box and the installation is done. Also, for future services, you can lower the whole device and you can do your service and maintenance on floor level without going up to the ceiling. Those units can be installed permanently at one spot or in a rail system, and you can slide it in position wherever you need to have the lights. That allows you to operate a TV studio with far less lighting circuits than you used to have. We also have big batten hoists. Those big batten hoists are actually more used in theaters, but we see them also in studios for cyclorama lighting or back lighting. They can have battens of up to 60 foot and carry 48 lighting fixtures. This is the truss pod I was mentioning before. Basically, the idea was to have a pipe grid everybody is used to work with and lower the whole pipe grid down to floor level to load your lighting fixtures on the pipe grid and then lift it up again. The other big advantage of this unit is that it can be installed to a rail system, which allows you to slide the whole device from one area in the studio to another area to the studio. So you need the lights only where actually the production takes place. We have two basic families or control system families. The economy model is the simple manual panel. Each motorized device has one up and down switch, and as long as you press the switch, the hoist moves up or down. For more sophisticated studios, we do have a digital control system with a touch screen. This system actually allows you to program positions of the hoist, vertical as well as horizontal positions, and recall them later. So if you have some studios where you will use the same show over and over, you can program the whole set and recall it within a few seconds. Thank you. That's basically what I have to say about suspensions.